Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice cleanser. Start by gathering 1 cup rice, 1 cup water, and a clean jar with a tight lid. Rinse the rice briefly, then add water and let it soak for several hours to release the nutrients. Strain the liquid into a small bottle and store it in the fridge for up to 1 week for best freshness. Begin with clean hands and a sanitized jar to avoid contamination. Rinse 1 cup rice quickly, then combine with 1 cup water and cover. Allow the rice to soak for at least 6 hours or overnight to draw out beneficial starches and nutrients. After soaking, strain the liquid through a fine cloth or sieve into a sterilized bottle, pressing gently to extract as much fluid as possible for the cleanser. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY skincare guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds a fun soundtrack and handy timers while you soak rice, making the process smoother and more enjoyable. It's a small, smart boost to your routine and fits any counter easily. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use the rice cleanser on freshly washed skin, applying a small amount and massaging gently in circular motions for exfoliation and brightening. Avoid sensitive areas and always follow with a moisturizer and sunscreen if used during the day. Keep the bottle refrigerated and use within 1 week to ensure safety. And if the cleanser develops any odd smell or discoloration, discard it immediately to protect your skin from irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.